Meaning of hatchling.
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 Hatchling. Hatchling refers to a young bird, reptile, or animal that has recently emerged from its egg. It is often used to describe the early developmental stage of animals and can be observed in species such as turtles, alligators, and birds. These baby animals are particularly vulnerable to predators and must fend for themselves from the moment they hatch. As they grow, hatchlings will develop various physical and behavioral adaptations to survive in their specific environment. By studying hatchlings, scientists can learn more about animal development and evolution.